ni matetete makiuga ruhonge ruu ni rwingiritio uteti undu uria urahotomia mirutire ya wira ya rugamiriri wa mai kaunti-ini ino Ewasco ni moigite ona gukorwo mai mari rungu kabuni ciagiriirwo gukorwo
ni vindi ya gwikiranira ngirimiti gwatanĩria aruti wĩra uteti ni urengerua urutiri darario votu wa makambuni mau kuruta utungata wa mai kwi mwingi watho wa mai wa ngiri
is owned by counties, but they were registered under CAP 486 for a reason. To allow water. So, they even have been threatened to revert back to
gwati gwi sekta ya mai ni vamwe na thirikari cia kaunti na iria nene kurega kwigithia wa kuigana sektari iyo ya kuthiria
who has done diploma in water engineering, you're paying we need such in the water sector. The regulator also should be able
ni Ewasco tenyongerera misara no nginya iringane na mbeca iria rathondekwo ni makambuni ma mai mugaru na uguo
with the maybe county government mixed up with the national government. The treasury that increase our money. They don't care how that. That's why we are registered as a private company. So that whatever we need to have, let us generate it.
Kuna yugo pesa iria nukagua rute
ni mukwenderia CBA na employer wira ndani akiumia muno agakora nuku ya kuvutwa vicious niguo
Kameme TV ni taunire ya Embu ni Beta Dennis Fundi.
Tugatigana na Dennis Fundi na wa bunge kuma icigo bunge ciothe 17 cia rutite mukana wa biraro fururi atini wa makuru riao ria kugena gikaro na minister Soipan Tuya nirigite higa riu makihita gutemania mutaratara wa kumuthingereria ikinye mbere ya bunge nigetha korwa tuthikiririe mare marathi na mbere.
The ministry advertised for recruitment recruited as per Nairobi 19 members of parliament. We wrote to the CS Soipan and we told her, we gave her 7 days ultimatum to change done at the sub-county into just 3 areas. Nairobi, because what it will mean, Route 7, or it means people can, they will be recruited, and that's why we are here. Other institutions where they've being recruited. This time round, we've said counties same manner these counties as per the see. Now we are going to 7 days when we 40 days. What means that this does not change. We Nairobi is not something we are going to. As you all know, there are 10th Inspector General through the Ministry an ulterior. We have 3 tracks in Langata, right here in Nairobi. Yet we institutions in the country. Accept this discrimination, we are going to take it to the B. We will. Yes, Karim. We actually just come.
Togoria Nairobi hoto cia na gurua yuko Nairobi tiga thirikari male ari muru athie na mbere guko Nairobi.
I saw the cabinet secretary
igikirehe wari na nitugukiona bunge ya kaunti wa kuhingiririo nja kana kwa hinda ria maruka na maki na mwikirigite wa kamite ya maria maturigisha ya kana aikari
MCSA ya Kirinyaga mahingirio nja wa kiganda kimwe kia makorofia mwena wa Rukanga Thagana makigirio kuingira kumurika mateta ma
mbele ya wananchi kuwa petition hapa kwa bunge ile maji yenye na hata kama hatukwenda kwa kona na kaa vibaya sana.
Kinyama gutwikaniria giteto mwikarigite muthikisadi akiuga maheanire kirinyaga ganda kurekeria mai magira
mto huko security ya huko, lakini security ya huko ikakataa tuingie. Tukaria takata kwa
MCA wa Wadine ya Mutithi na ure niwe munini wa speaker Jinaro Jamumo akiuga thutha wa gwikinya rũĩ-inĩ rũrũ magakora nĩ kwa kũigua makaya ma ikari na ona rũhonge rwa NEMA nĩ kwa gũtangĩkĩra marũa maingĩ marĩa makoretwo
Rukanga. Kwa kuwa ile magonjwa hiyo eneo fanya bidii kuhakikisha
no ũndũ wa kũmakania nĩ ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kĩganda gĩkĩ ũng'athĩirie MCA agakinyĩrĩria atĩ hĩndĩ marĩtigithĩria kũng'ethanĩra na
kwa sababu hiyo kiwanda imehatarisha watu. Tumeona wameandikiwa barua na hawa ya hicho, tafadhali fungeni kwa ndio mfumo
gũkũ na ndeto no ndĩkĩria kĩrĩa kĩmanio mbunge-inĩ na no igeria ritũ rĩa kwaranĩria na kĩganda gĩkĩ rĩkĩringa TV kuma Nina wa Kĩari
Nina wa Kĩari Universities ruguru wa Uasu matafanirie mururungano wa thayo tirige bilioni igere gaturumo kewira tumenye
if you want to shorten the period, you didn't see it coming. We have discussed this thing. Why are you? The Attorney General advised you. I haven't brought that advisory to your office. Stop crying. 2029. And this matter will end. But if you think you can threaten us, as we are battle-hardened. Yes. We are battle-hardened generals.
In accordance to Article 37 of the Constitution of Kenya, we have because it
is my boyo na Mtea Nairobi ni abre gari mucine wa Nairobi reto igithonde kwa undu umwe na kuhingura mitaro ya maĩ kwa ile ciumia
kama anawekelea lami kama ndabu ushapati atengenezangi kwa ile mililita inafaa kuwekwa kwa lami, unapata na tengenezwi poa, azitolewi takataka kila wakati. Pia kutengeneza wa ruhusa kuangalia tuna biashara zetu sana, siwezi toa mzigo yangu apitie pande hii, mahospitali zimejaa pande hiyo, hawezi ingia ndani sababu ya barabara. Sasa tunaomba venye barabara itengenezwe barabara inaweza dumu because it's our taxes, na hizo taxes zetu zinatuumiza sana. Sasa ndio hiyo inaweza tusaidia kama pande yetu hii ya Chairo.
Hii barabara tulikuwa tumepata shida sana. Tunashukuru serikali imetusaidia sana sana sana, ibariki.